Okay, for our movement challenge, we are going to listen to some sounds and then move like that sound, okay? Here's the first one. Oh. Does that sound like squeezy sounds? Maybe that's the toothpaste. Can you guys go down like you're squeezing? Whoop. Go back down. Whoop. Whoop. Good job being toothpaste. Okay, what's this one? Oh, that sounds like brushing teeth, right? Go brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, what's this one? Oh, that sounds like biting, right? Can you guys make big chomping movements? Go chomp, 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 chomp. Good. Okay, what's this one? Oh, that sounds like nice fairy tinkly music, right? Can you jump around like the tooth fairy? Good. Great job. What's this music? Ah, that sounds bad and angry, doesn't it? Ooh, I'll bet that's the cavity music. Can you guys punch yourself like a cavity? Oh no! The cavity, it's getting holes in our teeth. It's punching, punching. Oh! Go away, cavity, go away. All right, now let's see if you can do it. Listen to the music and see if you can do the right one. Yes, that's the fairy, good. Okay, what's this one? Yes, brushing your teeth. Brush, 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 brush. What's this one? Yes, it's the squeezy toothpaste. Whoa. Okay, what's this one? Oh, is that the cavity music, right? Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punch. Punch, 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 punch. Good, and what's this one? Yes, that's the chomping. Chomp, 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 chomp. Great job, you guys. You were so good at listening to the sounds.